Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Guys, this is my official 500th video and I am super excited. Thank you guys who've been here from the very start. It's been a long journey, but I'm so excited to be posting my 500th video. So today I have something a little fun. I have a duo, a Poundland and Primark duo. First thing, as always, I bought the newest bag. I love this floral blue pattern bag. It reminds me of like China plate patterns. Loved it. Purchased it from Pep & Co. So as always, I always buy a bag. But I'm going to throw this off to the side. And guys, I'm just going to pull things out as they come and I'll let you know which shop and how much they cost. So first thing is I bought a pair of navy shorts. I actually might as well just show you them both. I bought a pair of navy and I bought a pair of black. These are jersey shorts. They come with pockets. These are an extra large. I bought both of these. Let me see if I can set them down so you get a better view. I'll lift you up. I bought these for my nephew. He is going away in the summer and he needed some new shorts. These little shorts from Pep & Co. And guys, I'm so sorry. I'm working with a stand at the moment that's not great. It is a little tiny bit defective. I'm doing my absolute best. I do have one on order, so I'm sorry for the shaking. I'll try to minimize that. But these little shorts are fantastic. I buy them for him every single year, and they're £5 a pair. That is definitely even cheaper than Primark. So they're Pep & Co. £5 a pair in the men's section. I bought some more crumbly mints. These are delish. They're Sweet Heaven, no artificial flavors. I bought a packet for me because I love them and a packet for my father-in-law who also loves them. If you guys have not tasted crumble mints, traditional crumble mints, they're definitely on my top list. They are peppermint flavored and they melt in your mouth. They are so nice. I also then purchased chocolate raisins. I do love a good chocolate raisin. I do always have to make sure that I don't pick up peanuts because I have a nut allergy. These chocolate peanuts these are a hefty bag. They're 175 grams. There's definitely about at least 4 portions that I would use in these. They're vegan friendly, which is amazing. Again, they're being made by Sweet Heaven, and this is the new recipe. I don't really know what the old recipe was, but I know that this recipe is delish. So I bought 2 packs for myself and I will split them into 4s and take them as part of my lunch treat. Then I bought myself just a little Suki drink, 75p. Oh guys, by the way, the mint crumbles were £1, as were the chocolate raisins. I bought myself a little Suki orange, Dale Farm. I love this stuff. When I used to drink a long time ago, this used to be a little bit of my hangover cure. I still love it. 75p for 500 ml. That's pretty cheap. So as it happens, I happen to have done the Poundland haul. So now we have everything from Primark. So guys, I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but I purchased this gorgeous white, really light cover up for holidays. I also plan to wear it not on holidays because it's super duper pretty. It's white and it is so light and airy, a little bit big, so I think that they're oversized, but I went back and they have so many other ones. They have a gorgeous orange. They have a gorgeous orange. It's a really bright orange. They have a beautiful green. It's almost like it's hard to describe. It's not that dark khaki color or khaki color. It's more a vibrant green. It was beautiful, and I may go back and pick it up. I was kind of a little indecisive, but I went ahead and I purchased the red one because it is super duper cute. Look how thin it is. It gives you the cover, but it allows I'm so sorry, I nearly choked. But it does give you, it gives you the coverage, but it also allows you to breathe. It's super, super light. It has beautiful long sleeves, which I think are adorable. It is quite long, so I can't give, I'm gonna just pull it up so you guys can see how long it is. So if you wanted to wear it as a dress beach cover up, or even a dress with something underneath for an evening out on holidays, that's perfectly okay. I purchased the extra large. I like big, baggy and flowy, and this was only £8. So I am super happy that I have that. And like I said, guys, not only will I use that for my holidays, but I'm also going to use it to dress on my day and daily anyway, because I think it's super cute. And we have had quite a lot of warm weather last year, so I'm kind of hoping we have a little bit of the same this year. And this just provides me with a little bit of cover up, but it also allows the air to keep circulating. So I'm super happy about that. So let's get on with the next things. Oh, yes, I knew I'd bought 3 of these. So guys, I had purchased some of Primark's skincare range, and one of the things that I loved was this retinol lip serum. It has 0.3% retinol complex. It is super smooth and really light when you put it on, so I love it. But this is the smoothing, moisturizing and conditioning PS Skin. I don't know what the price originally was. The price was £2.50. It says it right here. So the price originally was £2.50, and I got a bumper bargain of getting them at £1 each. I thought, when they're on sale, and I use this every single day. I also tend to put it around my eyes too, because I think it's really great as a little bit of a primer before I put my makeup on. So I do use a lot of this stuff. So I thought, whilst I'm getting these at the bumper bargain basic price of £1, I would purchase 3. But I really, really do like this. If I can get it opened. These are all sealed. I really, really do like this retinol lip serum. I mean, let me show you guys how light it is. Oh, is this a serum? Yeah. This is not the ones that I bought before. The ones that I bought before had more of a spout, but I'm really, really liking, the little applicator here. But it is super light, super nice, shimmery. This is actually a little different to the one that I bought before, but I'm still happy to have it. It's not sticky, seems okay. This is more like a lip balm than a serum that I've had before. I will definitely check this out, and I will let you know what I think about it when I use it for a while in the comments or in the description section. But I'm still happy to have it. I'm just going to currently wipe that off my hands. So really, really happy to have that. I then saw these exfoliating sugar balls. These say they were £1 and they're down to £1, but that can't be right. Why do they do that? And I absolutely hate when they put a sticker over it. So original price £3.50. I got them at the bargain basic price of £1, which I am totally happy at. I do love a good bargain. These are to soften and smooth. I thought these would be really good to help me take my false tan off. Sometimes it gets a bit cloggy around, I mean, you can actually see cloggy around my wrist. And I thought these would be really good. And I thought, why not try them is what I meant to say, I guess. I don't particularly want to open these right now, just in case I don't get around to using them really quick, but I do want to smell them. I mean, they smell like sugar. They smell sweet. They smell like sugar. And I think they'll do a really decent job. Guys, you're also getting 150 grams inside this little container. And I think that is pretty neat. So super happy to get that on sale as well. Then I purchased, I've never tried these lip balms before. These were originally £1.50 down to 50p. But I love the packaging. This almost looks like a Cinnabon. But I really, really like the packaging. The net weight is 3 grams. Yep, original price $150. So I think that's pretty awesome. I love the cardboard packaging. I thought that was pretty darn good. Then I purchased a lip gloss. I actually wasn't purchasing this until I went to the till. It was sitting at the till and it was only £1.50 and I decided to pick it up. I do not know what color it is, but it looked brown and glossy. I like the fact that it's a high gloss and it says that it's lightweight. It's Ultra Shine Lip Gloss with vitamin E. So because I'm going to use this right away, well, depending on the color, I hate things that don't have a tear strip that really, 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 really should have a tear strip because it makes opening some products exceptionally difficult and very awkward. Let's see if I can get all of this wrapping off. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, off. Thank goodness. So look at this super shiny lid. So I am hoping this is going to be a color that oh my gosh, the top came off. That was actually nobody's fault but my own. I went a bit too vigorously and I still have. It's definitely not pushing back. I'll fix that in a minute, but let's have a look. Okay, this is definitely a color that I would wear. The brush, the applicator, which I guess I didn't also help. I like that the applicator is a foam applicator. I find that I get really good coverage with a foam applicator. I don't like the fact that the lid came off, the topper came off so quickly or so easily, but I am in love with that super shine. With a bit of darker brown lip liner, I think that would be stunning. Unfortunately, I am going to have to fix this before I use it, and that's okay. We will do that after this video. And the last thing that I purchased also, because it was down to 50p, was this Peach and Mint Lip Exfoliator. I don't usually tend to exfoliate my lips. I don't know why, but I don't. Let's see if we can get some of this off. I don't know why, but I don't. And maybe I should. So I thought, why not try this little one? Because I got it on offer at, I believe, 50p, which is awesome. Yep, it's just a white exfoliator. There is a little bit of sugar. You can feel it. It smells so fruity and nice. What was that? It was peach and mint. Wow, that is so good. And I'm going to give this a go and see if it makes my lips just a little bit softer. Oh my gosh, the smell of the fruit. Mint doesn't really come through in the scent. Fruit definitely. You can definitely smell the fruity elements. Super excited I've got that too. Well, guys, that is my video. I really, really, really want to thank you all so much for being here for my 500th video. I really hope you guys had a good time. I did. I really did. I love, 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 love shopping. And I also really, really love sharing with you guys. I hope you do too. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget about that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified of any of my further videos. And guys, please like and share. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Thanks so much. Bye. Bye.